Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is the thing that many people are thinking that it is an easy way to make money, but in reality, it kind of is, but kind of is not. It requires a little bit of work in order for you to understand how it works and how it operates and how you can actually integrate this in your channel. So let's talk about affiliate marketing and how you can integrate it into your Faceless YouTube channel. Now, before we're gonna do that, let's explain shortly what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing. Basically, you're using your platform to market other people's products. Many people are painting this as a business model, but it's actually not. Affiliate marketing is not a business model, it's a marketing model. Meaning that your role is just as a marketer. You're not creating the product, you're not selling product, you're marketing it. And if you don't know what marketing in this case means, this means that you're getting as many eyeballs as possible to the product. Your obligation is not to sell the product. Your obligation is show this product exists and why someone else should buy it. Sales are obligations of the company itself who is providing the product services. Earlier you will understand this, the better it will be for you. And you also need to make sure that the product provider understands that as well. Why? In a few words, we cannot be responsible for the sale because you have no control over it. Sale is happening when the customer sees a product that you do not have. So how it works on YouTube? Well, it depends purely on type of videos that you are creating. Not every video can integrate affiliate marketing seamlessly. With affiliate marketing, you're basically taking someone else's product and trying to promote it to make sales from it. You are not selling it again. You are trying to promote it to make sales from it afterwards. So in order to integrate affiliate marketing product in your videos should feature some products. And that's easiest if we're talking about consumer products. Like for example, if you're doing reviews, if you're doing comparisons, if you're doing how-tos, it's much easier to integrate affiliate marketing programs in those videos than in any other videos. But doesn't mean that other videos cannot integrate that. And now we'll give you a very simple example. Like when you create a Faceless YouTube video, you are using some tools, right? In this case, you're using InVideo AI. Well, InVideo has an affiliate program. So what you can do is you can actually say in your video, or you can say it in your video or show it with a text or title somewhere that this video was created by InVideo AI and put an affiliate link in the description of your video. This way, when someone else will purchase the paid plans of InVideo AI, you are going to get a kickback from it. That is the simplest way to use an affiliate marketing. Doesn't matter what type of video you create. As long as you're using InVideo AI, you're not lying. You're actually showing the product because this video that you created is made at least in part with an InVideo AI, and you're just telling other people that you did that and allowing them to purchase it. That's just it. But if your videos are featuring the products, all you need to say in the video that the links to the products will be in the description down below. That is it. And if your video is about the product and product is interesting, people will click the links. And after that, everything is out of your power. If they will make a sales, you're gonna get a kickback. If not, well, you're not. But how to choose and how to find affiliate programs? Well, it depends on the product. Different products have affiliate marketing programs and also joining different affiliate networks. So if you have a product, just search and Google product's name and affiliate program. That's just it. The simplest way to do so is through Amazon. Like if your product is featured on Amazon, Amazon has an associates program, which is basically Amazon's affiliate program. That means that every product that is being sold on Amazon, you can just put the links in the description, and every time people will make sales, you're gonna get a kickback. And what's great about Amazon's affiliate marketing is that you don't need to sell this specific product. If they will click the link and then they will proceed to buy something else, you're gonna get kickback from that as well. Now, important part about affiliate marketing is that you are required to disclose that the links are affiliate. So make sure that in the description somewhere you disclose that links that you show in the description are affiliate or can be affiliate links. You always need to do so. You are required this by the law. Just make sure that you sign up for the affiliate programs that are truthful and will not hide actual sales from you, because some small affiliate programs are actually doing so. I had a bad experience with this and I hope that you will not have it. Make sure that the company that you're working with is trustworthy and will adequately compensate you for your affiliate marketing services. Now, interesting part is how much you can expect to make from this. Not gonna lie, it purely depends on what type of sales that you're making. Some affiliate programs are very generous, giving you 50 or even up to 70% of sales to you and even giving you monthly recurring revenue. These affiliate programs will generate you quite large amounts of income. But if you're, for example, focusing on the smaller affiliate programs like from Amazon, which is not small but pays you small, you most likely will not be making huge amounts of income unless you have a very large number of views and large interest behind these products. So I would say that if you focus on affiliate sales quite well, you will earn as much, maybe a little bit more than what you can get from YouTube's own monetization systems. But where real income and real money lies is not with the affiliate program or YouTube's partner program. It's somewhere else, and one of those such places are sponsorships and partnerships. So in the next lecture, we're going to focus on exactly that. So I'm going to see you there. Take care.